a beautiful day. That would be enough, just a beautiful day. But I'm going to Acadia National Park in Maine today. Can't wait. A little thrill going on here. Scenic turnout, half a mile. Yes, I'm doing it. To spend the morning, huh? Yeah. I definitely would rather do this than read the newspaper in the morning. Oh yeah. This is calming. Newspapers just rile you up. Put it in low gear. Don't even have to use the brakes, and gain a few miles of electric. Just floating along. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. What's my neighborhood? The contiguous United States of America. That's my neighborhood. The contiguous states, every last one of them. This land is your land, this land is my land. And we might as well enjoy it, right? that gonna look like when it's all lit up with fall colors? Oh, wow. I just love the way the clouds speak to the earth in patterns of light. Look at all these beautiful Christmas trees. Giant Christmas trees. I can just imagine them all lit up with Christmas decorations. Birch Haven Campground is about 4 miles from where I am right now. This is the approach to Birch Haven Campground, way up north in Maine. Eagle Lake, the town of Eagle Lake. Here comes the lake.
Your destination is on the right.
This is Birch Haven Campground. Yay, and they have laundry here. I'm a bad YouTuber, naughty me. My phone is not charged up well, and I am sitting here waiting, hoping to hear loons that everybody says have nests there on this little island. So I'm hoping to hear them. We're only here for 2 nights. So I'm gonna save my battery. Come on, loons. Come on, sunset. I hear seagulls. Yep, that's a seagull. I want a loon.